You might have faced this issue at some point where your WhatsApp notification stops working and the messages are delivered once you open the application. But don't worry, after watching this video, you'll be able to fix this issue within minutes. Whether you're using Android or iOS, doesn't matter. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this. So the very first and most important step for all the iOS and Android users is to update the WhatsApp application to the latest version. Also, I provided the Play Store and App Store link below in the video's description and in the pinned comment, which will redirect you to the latest version page of the application. For few devices, you won't see the update option even on searching it on the Play Store, and that's why it's recommended to update the application via the link provided below. After this, Android users have to go to the settings, then under apps, select WhatsApp. Turn off WhatsApp notifications once and then force stop the application. After this, turn on the notifications back and under the battery optimization settings, change it to unrestricted from optimized settings. Check application data usage settings as well and make sure background data usage is turned on. Also turn on the option of background data usage while data saver is turned on. These settings will ensure that even if battery or data saver is turned on, even then it won't affect the WhatsApp to run in the background. In most of the cases, the notification issue is fixed after these steps, but still you can check for more parameters, which I'm going to show. The last thing to check is your phone's do not disturb settings. In case if it is on, it may also cause the elimination of the notification. After all these steps, open your WhatsApp application, then go to WhatsApp settings, then under notification settings, make sure every settings is turned on. In case if all the settings are already on, then turn off the settings once and enable them back. Both Android and iOS users can do this. Once done with this, it's highly recommended to restart the device once and now all of your notification issues will be solved for sure. So this is how you can simply fix your WhatsApp notification problem within minutes. And I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot. And in case if you're having any question in your mind regarding this video, then please put a comment below in the comment section. And if you guys liked the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyan Sharan and I will catch you in the next one.